First, confirm you have a 2014 to 2019 BMW 4 Series key fob. These models use a specific design that requires a CR2032 battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is readily available and provides reliable power. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to pry open the fob. For stubborn cases, needle nose pliers can help. Get a CR2032 battery from a BMW dealership or online retailer for about $5 to $10. Use genuine BMW parts to ensure proper fit and function. First, ensure you have your BMW key fob, a new CR2032 battery, and a flathead screwdriver or coin for prying. Locate the seam on the side of your key fob where the two halves meet. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Carefully remove the circuit board or battery holder from the fob. Pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob, ensuring the halves snap securely back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure it works. If the fob fails to work, double-check the battery orientation or consult a professional for assistance.